Hello everyone, my name is Willie. Today, I want to review my favorite food. Is noodle and egg. Ingredients: 1 pack Indomie, 2 cups water, 1 egg and oil. Now I will tell you how to make it. Step 1. 2 cup of water and cook 1 pack of noodle. 3 to 5 minutes. Step 2. Dry it noodle and mix all of the ingredients. I can try it for you. Yummy. Thank you so much. Bye.